How to get WordPress orders from Facebook. So to get started, go ahead and create a Facebook business page. Add your business name, logo, description, and contact info. So this page will host your Facebook shop and serve as your ad platform. And then on your WordPress account, go ahead and sign in to your account. And then go ahead and install the WooCommerce plugin. So search for WooCommerce on the plugins marketplace, and then after that, go ahead and search for Facebook for WooCommerce. So install it and activate it. So this plugin syncs your WooCommerce products with your Facebook shop. Now connect your store to Facebook. After activating the plugin, go to Marketing and then head over to Facebook in your WordPress dashboard and then click Get Started. Log into Facebook and choose your business page and connect your Facebook catalog and pixel. This allows Facebook to display your products and track customer actions. Now sync your products. Choose which products to sync to Facebook, organize them into collections, and make sure the product titles, images, and prices are clear and attractive. Now set up Facebook Pixel. Go to the Events Manager on Facebook, create a pixel, and then copy the pixel ID, paste it into the plugin settings in WordPress, and this tracks user behavior like views, add to cart, and purchases. Essential for ads. Now promote your products. Create posts and reels showcasing your products. Use Facebook ads to target specific audiences and link directly to your product pages or checkout. Now you can monitor orders and optimize. Track orders in WooCommerce and then click on orders and then use Facebook Insights and Pixel data to see which products perform best. Adjust your ads and product listing based on what's working. This helps you scale your business and improve conversion rates, and that is how you can basically get WordPress order from Facebook.